Hello everybody, welcome to today's lesson on sketching inequalities. To access the resources for this lesson, go to parkermaths.com/INEQ. So, sketching inequalities is in the pure section under algebra and functions. In today's lesson, we only have one objective, and that is to represent linear and quadratic inequalities graphically. In order to confidently access the content, you need to be familiar with three things. First of all, solving linear and quadratic equations and inequalities, solving linear and quadratic simultaneous equations, and also sketching the graphs of linear and quadratic functions. The third one in particular is key for this lesson. So before you start this lesson, have a go at the checking question. If you find it difficult, you might want to go back and review straight line graphs before carrying on. Here's the checking question. Just one thing to point out. In part A, when you're drawing 3x plus 4y equals 36, make sure you can do it without rearranging the equation to have it in the form y equals. You should be able to draw it straight away as it's written. Okay, pause the video, have a go, then come back and check your solution. Here's the solution for all three lines drawn on the same set of axes. X equals 2 is a vertical line, y equals 6 is a horizontal line, and 3x plus 4y equals 36 is shown in red. Before we move on, I just want to show you how you can draw 3x plus 4y equals 36 without having to rearrange it. The working out that I do here, you don't necessarily have to write it down, but you can do if you want. What I'm going to do is think about what happens when x equals 0. Well, that's the same as this term here disappearing. That leaves us with 4y equals 36, which means y equals 9. That would give us this point here, 0, 9. Next, I'm going to consider what happens when y equals 0. That's going to eliminate this term. That gives us 3x equals 36, which means x equals 12. That gets us this point down here. If we have a straight line and we know 2 points on it, we can draw the straight line by going in between the 2 points. That saves you having to rearrange it to get y equals in order to draw lines of this form.